Hi friends, meet Joe. He is a person like us who has a normal 9 to 5 job. Like most of us, he spends most of his time behind computers using Excel and creating reports. He is working very hard, but at the end of the year, there is no growth or promotion, and his work is not even appreciated. Joe starts thinking, what is preventing his growth? Joe finds that all these years he has been doing the same kind of work. So he decides, stop, let me spend some time in upgrading my skills. Then I should be able to do my work quicker and spend the balance time in doing some quality productive work. So Joe researches and he finds Advanced Excel course at udemy.com/advanced excel, a course taught by Sam Parulekar. He is one of the most senior trainers in Excel. This course helped him to do all his work in a shorter period of time and spend the balanced time productively. He's got a better salary and a better promotion. So friends, what are you waiting for? Log in to udemy.com/advanced excel and sign up for the course. See you at the top.